This Berkshire Hathaway HomeServices Towne Realty property video is presented by Petra Tucker. Beautiful, bright and airy home in immaculate condition with hardwood flooring on both levels. Formal living and dining rooms, kitchen with ceramic backsplash, stainless steel appliances and bay window. Large family room with fireplace and cathedral ceilings. Large in-bedroom with attached bath and large closet. Great sized fenced backyard with nice deck and shed. Additional features include newer roof, newer heating and air conditioning, newer energy efficient windows. Great home conveniently located to I-64 and shopping centers. For more information, review the details below.